Hello everyone and welcome to the Mechanics Laboratory. Today we're going to talk about how to resurface your steel tabletops of the table saw or any other piece of equipment that you need. This is a great project to do when the students are not in school, or you could also do it with them as long as they have the protective equipment that's necessary. So let's talk about the equipment that we need to resurface these tabletops. First is we need our safety glasses. We need a high quality respirator, and this respirator has filters to protect from organic vapors. We'll need protective gloves that are chemical resistant. We'll need a rust dissolver, and this one is naval jelly made by Loctite. We'll use a Johnson paste wax to protect our tabletops once we've cleaned them. And we'll also use steel wool to help us apply the naval jelly and the paste wax. So let's go ahead and move on to the next step of putting on the naval jelly. All right, everyone, we've applied the naval jelly, we've rubbed it in, and now we're going to follow the directions and give it about 10 minutes to soak in. Now, if your tabletop has been highly rusted or been a few years since you've cleaned it, you may have to give it a few extra minutes, or you may even have to do this process 2 to 3 times to take off all the deep rust. So let's give it a few minutes and then we'll clean it off. All right, we've gave it about 12 minutes since this table was pretty rusted from where a student laid a rag down on the tabletop. So the process of getting the naval jelly off is to use a wet rag to get all the naval jelly off. Remember, we still need our safety equipment on. Now that we have removed the naval jelly, we have our smooth surface. But it is a little tacky, and we need to add something to help the board slide across. So we're going to use paste wax. Now this is a good protectant to keep your tabletops from rusting again. If you are getting ready to leave for spring break, summer break, or even fall break, you may want to add a coat to your tabletops to protect them while you're out of the building. So let's go ahead and apply this with our steel wool. We will apply this, let it glaze for a few minutes, and then wipe it off with a clean rag, and our machine will be ready to use again.